Ma, you gotta taste this. Hold on, guys.
Mocati. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to bring to you all another month of daily goodie box, and this one is for the month of December. And of course, Christmas is right around the corner, so I cannot wait to unbox this and show you guys what is inside because I'm feeling festive. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the daily goodie box. Now this is 100% free. You do not have to pay shipping or anything like that. Everything in here is free, and the items that come in these different boxes, they change frequently. Now, one of your best ways of getting a possibility of getting a box is through their Facebook website, and over there they're giving away tons of boxes all the time. And of course, you can go to their website as well. I have all of that information down below in the description box, as well as all of the information about every item that is inside, so that you guys can take a look at those and maybe grab something for yourself. So let's get started. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be a good end of the year box. So it looks like I got a lot of things that I can eat, and you guys know I love me a good snack. So the first item I have here is from the company Frey, and this is a Swiss chocolate. They say that it is a milk crunchy nut bar. Look at how good this looks. My goodness. So that looks like hazel. Oh, it is. This is milk chocolate with hazelnuts. Now you know. Oh, buddy. Oh, my goodness. When I tell you chocolate is my weakness. Oh, it smells good and it's so fresh. Look at that. Look at those hazelnuts. Oh my God. Ma, you gotta taste this. Hold on, guys. So this one is from Enzymedica, and this is some heartburn relief pain. As much as I eat all these different foods, yeah, this will come in handy. But these are some heartburn relief pills, and it has 10 inside, and these are actually chewable. So normally you would see the hard kind, they have some chewables here. See if those work in the future when I'm eating too much spicy food. This is from Dalmatia, and this is some tangerine spread. Oh, that sounds like it's delicious. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It smells good. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Yummy. Oh goodness. I found something else I'm in love with. You can put it on toast, you can put it on bagels, whatever. This is absolutely good. And I like when I try something I have never heard before. I'm excited. So I have another chocolate here, and I'm actually familiar with this, and I am a fan. So recently I won a contest where I received a whole bunch of products from NibMor, and these were definitely one of them. These are their organic chocolate, and this one is the dark chocolate wild Maine blueberry, and this one is so good. But with NibMor, their products are amazing, and even though I did a video, you guys know I still gotta chew on it, right? So, if you haven't seen that video, this is the dark chocolate, and they have the pieces of blueberry in there, and they are yummy. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, all chocolate I will eat. So good. So, the next one that I have here is called Mocati, and this is a hard candy assortment. And I'm wondering if I had the fruity flavor before. I think I did. But this one is the three that are on the inside here are caramel macchiato, yummy, Mocha Mint, and espresso. All different flavors that I like in my drinks, now in a hard candy shell. And there's all the flavors that they mentioned. Start with this one. Oh yeah, it definitely has a scent of it. And look at that color. Oh wow. Wow. It tastes exactly like an espresso. I feel like I'm chewing on a really good drink. It's so good. So the Mocha Mint. Of course, Mocha Mint looks just the same. Yes, that tastes like a mocha drink with a hint of mint. As soon as you bite into it, all those flavors start coming out. Now this one is a little darker than the other ones, but they still have that same consistency. Here goes. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. I'm taken back. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Wow. Shout out to Mocati. You guys hit it right on the nail. Great job. So this is called E-Lyte, and this is a concentrate of pure electrolytes. I love the packaging. I'll take a little bitty sip. Ooh. It's very salty, but of course it's not like I'm gonna sit here and drink the whole thing down. You're gonna do what the instructions say, which is of course is added to water, added to milk, added to food, and nice. Okay, replenish, hydrates, restores energy levels, and fights cramps. Okay, E-Lyte, BodyBio, I see you. But yeah, this is the Adrenal Extra Energy Support. These are 12 vegetarian tablets, non-caffeine energy. And this is non-caffeine energy. I think this might be the last one. This one is from Shoelaces. So this is an elastic, no-tie shoelaces, and you get 2 pair in a pack. This is really good for those who are like into running and everything. And you don't have to worry about always stopping and tying your shoes, because you have this new invention where it just locks your laces. I was gonna say your lashes. But you lock your, why do I keep wanting to say lashes? It's good for those who are runners and walkers and they don't want to have to worry about trying to fix their laces while they're out taking care of their physical health. So if you haven't already, definitely check those out. Well guys, this was once again another amazing unboxing. I enjoyed it so much, especially that hazel chocolate from Switzerland. Woo, so delicious. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below anything that you want to tell me at the end of the year. Hey, it could just be Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year, because of course we're in the month of December and I want you guys to be safe, keep your loved ones close, and I will see you all in the next month and the next year with another goodie box. And guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.